This tutorial will show you how to build an automated workflow for collecting and analyzing financial news data, helping you make faster data-driven decisions. Financial markets react to news within seconds. With an automated workflow, you can capture company sentiment as it happens. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have an automated system for fetching and storing financial news, which will then process for sentiment using the latest Google Gemini 2.0 Flash LLM model. To build this workflow, we'll be using Python along with a few key libraries and tools. We'll fetch financial news using yfinance, structure and store the data in Google Sheets, and then analyze sentiment using the latest Google Gemini model. Finally, we'll use Cliprun, a sponsor of this video, to automate the execution of our data collection script on a set schedule. This allows us to process headlines in real time and generate sentiment scores that can help guide trading decisions. The workflow consists of two key Python scripts. The first script retrieves financial news data at a specific time and saves it to Google Sheets via Google Forms. Each execution records a single row of data, including columns for the pulled financial news headlines and a timestamp. The second script imports the stored data from Google Sheets, prompts the Google Gemini model to assign a sentiment score, and plots a graph of the results. Overall, the insights generated by this workflow depend on running the first script at multiple time points. You can run this script manually or schedule it as a cron job on your own machine, but that's not always practical, especially if you're frequently on the move with a laptop. Another option is to schedule it on a cloud server for automated execution. For this tutorial, I'll be using Cliprun, a browser-based Python code editor and runner that lets you automate Python scripts instantly with almost no setup required. I only work with sponsors that provide genuinely useful tools for AI and machine learning workflows. Cliprun is one of them. On its own, Cliprun is a free Chrome extension that allows you to run Python code directly in your browser, making it a great tool for beginners learning to code or for quickly testing snippets you find online. But beyond that, Cliprun also offers affordable pricing for scheduling and automating Python tasks, such as pulling financial news data at regular intervals, making it a cost-efficient and practical option for more advanced workflows. To install it, go to the Chrome Web Store, search for Cliprun, and click Add to Chrome. Cliprun lets you execute Python scripts directly in your browser. You can right-click on code snippets from sources like ChatGPT or GitHub and select Run Python to execute them instantly without any environment setup. So we have Cliprun installed, and we have our browser open. Let's now walk through the Python code, which is linked to in the video description below. Start by importing the following libraries: datetime, yfinance, and requests. Then choose a stock ticker symbol that you want to examine. I'm going to choose Apple, which is AAPL. We now define the Get Recent Articles function to pull financial news headlines for the chosen stock. It takes in a ticker symbol and a time frame, which defaults to 3 days, which provides enough data to estimate a rough moving average of sentiment. Using yfinance's search function, the script pulls recent news articles for the specified ticker. By default, yfinance will return 8 articles, but you can refer to the yfinance documentation to adjust the request based on your specific needs. To filter for recent news, the function first records the current time in UTC and calculates a threshold by subtracting the specified number of days. It then loops through the retrieved articles, checking if each has a valid timestamp and whether it falls within the desired time frame. Finally, the function returns a filtered list of articles published within the set period. With the news headline data retrieved, we now format it into a structured text output using the build headline data function. This function compiles the stock ticker, headlines, publication timestamps, and article links into a single formatted string, making it easier to store and analyze later. It loops through the list of articles, extracting key details like the title, link, and publication time. If any of these fields are missing, the function substitutes default placeholder values to prevent errors. The publication timestamp is converted from a raw Unix timestamp into a readable date and time format in UTC. The final output is a block of text that includes all the gathered headlines in a consistent format. Now that we have the formatted news data, we will store it in a Google Sheet by submitting it through a Google form. This method avoids the complexity of using the Google Sheets API while still allowing automated data collection. The Submit to Google Form function takes the stock ticker and formatted headlines and sends them to a Google form via an HTTP post request. The form has two input fields, one for the ticker and one for the combined news data. Each field has a unique entry ID assigned by Google, which must be included in the request payload. The function then submits the data and prints a status message to confirm the request was successful. To set this up, create a Google form at forms.google.com with two short answer fields, one for the stock ticker and another for the news headlines. Now click the forward arrow on the top of the screen and publish the form, allowing anyone with the link to have access. Then click Copy Responder Link and paste it into the Google Form URL object in the Cliprun code editor. Go to the end of the link text and delete everything after the forward slash, replacing it with the words Form Response. After creating the form, click on the three dots in the upper right corner and select Pre-filled Form. Fill in sample data for each field and click Get Link at the bottom. This will generate a URL with embedded field IDs, formatted as entry followed by a dot and a number. Use these IDs in your script to match your form's fields. Once configured, running the script will automatically push news data to the linked Google Sheet. Next, on the Google Form page, click Responses and then Link to Sheets. Create a new spreadsheet and give it a name. So we've created all our functions. Now we define a main function to tie them together. It fetches recent news for the chosen stock ticker, formats the headlines into a structured text block, and prints them. If no articles are found, it exits. Otherwise, it submits the data to a Google form, storing it in a linked Google Sheet. With this, we've automated the process of collecting and saving financial news to a Google Sheet. We can run this script in Cliprun by pressing Run in the top right corner of the code editor, and then check our Google Sheet to ensure that the payload is being properly delivered. Now that our script runs manually, we can automate it with Cliprun's built-in scheduling tool. Click the clock button on the top right of the code editor to access the scheduler. You can then schedule the Python script to run at set intervals. I'm going to set it to run every 2 hours. At this point, we've built an automated financial news headline collection workflow with data that can be applied in various ways, whether for a live stock market dashboard or as input for a predictive machine learning model. Here, I've written a short script in Cliprun that pulls the saved news headline data from our Google Sheet and processes it to generate sentiment scores. Using Google's Gemini 2.0 Flash model, the script prompts the AI to analyze the sentiment of each batch of news headlines and assigns a single sentiment measure for each time point. To visualize this, the script then plots a graph, allowing us to track sentiment trends over time. I'm running this code after about 48 hours of data collection, and we can see that there's been a slight drop in sentiment for Apple during this time period. The full code for this tutorial is linked to in the video description below, as well as a link to download Cliprun for free from the Google Chrome Web Store. And if you found this video useful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Deep Charts channel for more videos on the newest AI and machine learning tools.